How did Zeus really become king of the gods? Episode 13. Zeus betrayed the Olympus Rebellion. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more mythology updates. Dark storm clouds gather over Olympus, thunder rumbling in the distance. Not all threats to Zeus came from monsters or titans. Sometimes danger came from within Olympus itself. Hera whispers in secret chambers, Athena stands beside her, and Poseidon clenches his trident. Tired of Zeus's rule, Hera, Athena, and Poseidon plotted to dethrone the king of the gods. Their plan? Bind Zeus in unbreakable chains and seize Olympus. Zeus rests upon his golden throne as the conspirators strike. Cast chains of divine strength, trapping Zeus where he sat. For the first time, the ruler of gods was powerless. Thetis, goddess of the sea, flees to summon help. She called upon Briareus, the 100-handed giant who freed Zeus with unstoppable might. Zeus rises, lightning exploding around him. Furious, Zeus unleashed his wrath. Hera was punished, Poseidon humbled, and Athena warned Olympus would never forget their betrayal. Next time, Zeus faces his greatest test yet, the rise of mortals who dare defy the gods.